Hi everyone, welcome to this week's TOOP TV. Now, if tax time has you stressed out, then make sure you watch today's inside story as it's all about financial tips for landlords at this time of year. Back in the hosting chair this week, we have one half of Adelaide power couple Anthony TOOP, and he'll be interviewing an array of guests. On SA's Finest, we go to Seacliff, and this is for those who love life by the beach. It is an absolute hidden gem. We also have the weekly market update with all of the latest real estate statistics. And at the end of the show, we'll be answering all of your real estate questions, so make sure you post them on the TOOP TV page.
Happy end of financial year, and it's episode 183. Now, it's a big day today because we've been running this for a bit over 3 years, and we are going to completely change the format. We'll give you a little sneak preview later in the show, and I think you'll absolutely love it. We've learnt an enormous amount in the last 3 years, and we're going to put all that knowledge and experience into the next show. So stay tuned. It's going to August is the release, but more about that in a minute. And at the end of this era, if you like, you're going to see, anyway, stay tuned. You're going to find out some big things, very exciting. Now, for the inside story on tax, and if you're a landlord and have investment properties, you've just got to watch this.
The end of the financial year is only days away, and there's plenty of information landlords should be aware of at tax time, as partner at Grant Thornton, Dale Ryan explains.
There's a range of deductions that a landlord's able to claim through their taxation return. These are wide and varied, and commonly we see things such as the property agent's commission, rates and taxes. Land taxes is a common one that people often forget. Gardening costs, repairs attached to the property is a common deduction that you can claim. So if you've actually got a rental property where you yourself are looking after the property, doing repairs on the property or gardening, you are entitled to claim a deduction for travel costs associated with that property. The best thing that a landlord is able to do is to collate all of the information across the 12-month period. And one thing that I often suggest with clients is that you maintain a diary, and within that diary you literally keep account of all of the records of costs that you incur in relation to your rental property within that diary. The aspect of rental properties is often a common one that they look to pursue because they're always concerned about the negative gearing aspect of rental properties, and they're particularly concerned with issues in relation to overclaiming. The other area that they are providing some focus on in the next 12-month period will be in relation to super funds. So if you're holding a rental property within a superannuation entity, they have indicated that they will be looking at activities in that area. If you're looking for further advice or assistance in relation to this area, you can certainly go to the ATO website or call myself at Grant Thornton.